Have you heard of the Akashic Records? They're a really special alternative healing modality where we get access to your entire soul history, who you are, where you've been, your personality, your gifts. I work with high performers in the Akashic Records to help them understand and define their absolute highest potential and their soul blueprint. My name is Emelina Calder-Spinelli. I'm a spiritual coach. I help my clients figure out what's blocking them, what's keeping them from that highest potential, healing, resolving the trauma, resolving the inner conflict, bringing each person back to its state of inner alignment and balance with their absolute highest selves and highest potential, and then figuring out how to move forward and capture all of that and create all of that into their external worlds. I work with my clients in the Akashic Records alongside their highest selves and highest spirit guides as a psychic, medium, and coach. We work together to absolutely transform your life into something that you are passionate about, excited, that is the waking dream that you create into this reality. If this resonates with you, tap the link below and get in touch, and we'll start our journey together.